Okay guys, we're back from Martin Head where I blew 2 belts. Has to be a record. So we're gonna pull the cover off now and check out the second belt, the shitty Kemimoto belt that I put on. Yeah, so we're gonna get that pulled off. And I got a Ultimax belt, I think it is, coming, which is what the dealer suggested. So let's see if that's any good. And what we'll do is I'll pull the clutches off and clean the sheaves and make sure we don't have any damage or any other issues. I never put this back on, which is handy, so yeah, we'll just get that out of the way. Well, when you see that, when you see a chunk of belt peeking through, you know it's bad. Oh my goodness, there's belt everywhere down there. It just shot out from my snorkel, so I ended up just pulling the snorkel off because the belt started blowing everywhere. So yeah, we'll just get these bolt covers. I only have 3 bolts on it, so we'll do that now. Oh, cooked. She is cooked. Okay. Well, the tiniest bit left. Okay. We'll spread the clutch and we'll pull that off. So I'm back from G. Burke, the dealer. And here's the belt we're going to try. So Ultimax. It's the UA version. It says it's got a 2-year warranty. So, which should be better than Kimpex's, or no, which should be better than Kemimoto's shitty belt. So, we're just going to get the clutches pulled off now so I can inspect the sheaves and get them all cleaned up. Okay, so it's still marked from the last time I took it off, but you're supposed to just mark it so you can line up the sheaves to the clutch. This is 18mm lefty-loosey, and then I think a 32mm lefty-loosey, so we're going to pull that off. So what did I say? Righty-loosey. Okay. And I need my bigger battery. Okay. Okay. Now we got 32. Now we're gonna just be careful because the spring is right behind there. Okay, so just so I remember, what do we got here? We got 2 spacers plus the spring. Okay, this, like, there's a groove here. I just don't know how bad that is. Wow. The weights aren't bad, actually. I don't know what I was expecting, but I kind of thought maybe they would be melted. It's just so dirty. Found the tool. So we're going to take the nut off first and then spread the clutch. 36 mil. I'm not going to be able to record this, but this one is lefty-loosey. So here's secondary. Sheaves look pretty good too. There's a bit of belt stuck in there. Spread the clutch. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It's like wrapped around, so I'm just gonna get a little tool. But let's actually look at the sheaves here. What do we... Well, I guess it's just the primary. Okay, we got the belt. Oh, there's a washer there. Okay. Wow. That could have been worse. Let's Let's make sure this washer stays on. There, okay. So here's some belt. There's so much belt material, it's crazy. Wow. Okay, we'll get this cleaned out. Yeah, I'm very impressed. So there is quite the groove right here, but whatever. Should be okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep working at this. Okay, I got the green Scotch-Brite now. Online said maroon, but they didn't have maroon. But this is working good. So that's done. I still got to do the sheave inside the bike, but yeah, we'll get started on this one. Look at all that in there. All the belts. It says to scuff it in a cross hatch pattern. So I'm just gonna scuff it in the opposite direction after I get everything off. There, look at that. That looks great. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in and clean the other sheave for the primary, the inner, and then we're ready to get it all put back together. Don't think you can see this, but we're gonna you definitely can't see that. Okay, we got the secondary here. We're just gonna get the nut on. I'm gonna tighten that up after I get the belt on. So we're ready for our belt. Now what I'm gonna do is take it inside, clean it with soap and water first. Yeah, a lot of people, everyone has their own way of dealing with belts. I'm gonna be superstitious and do what some people do, which is wash it with soap and water first, and then we'll put it on. Because yeah, I don't want this belt exploding. Okay. So we got to get it onto the primary first. There you go. There. Okay. And we will tighten up the main bolt, the secondary. Then we'll take her for a little boot. Just gonna set her down. Okay, so she drives, so we're gonna get the clutch cover back on, and yeah, then we're gonna start breaking in this belt. So basically what you have to do is, they say 15 minutes low, max 3/4 throttle, variable speeds, and then kill it for a half hour so that you can go through a full heat cycle. Do that twice, and then we should be good to go. So yeah, we're gonna get started on that so that tonight when we have a ride, I'm ready to hammer down. We got the snorkel off. Let's see, what do we think? One belt piece. Oh, we got a lot of belt pieces. Oh, Just a couple.